Let us begin with warm-up for today. Stand straight, eyes closed, chin straight, parallel to the ground, hands by your side. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more count of inhale and exhale. Let us try to be in the present moment for the next 45 minutes to 1 hour. Let us focus and challenge ourselves that we will give the best, and let us give this beautiful gift to our body. Slowly and gently open your eyes and let us start with the warm-up for today. Hands by your side, right leg comes out. Let us start with ankle rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The other way round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Toe up and down, toe up and down, toe up and down, fingers up and down, and right leg comes back. Left leg goes out. Now let us start once again. Ankle rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Toe up and down, toe up and down, toe up and down. Fingers moving up and down, and let's bring back. Let's start with knee rotation. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's come up. Let us start with waist or hip rotation. Shoulder width distance apart between the legs. And let us start. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's come back. Let us start with arm rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let us start with both hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The other way round, both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's come back. Let's bring the hands by our side and let us start with arm rotation like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The other way round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's bring down. From here, let us start with neck rotation on the right hand side. You may want to close your eyes. Inhale from the right hand side. Let's go back slowly and slowly. Exhale and come down. 2, inhale. Exhale, slowly and slowly come down. 3, inhale. Exhale and come down. 4, inhale. Halfway through, exhale and come down. 5, inhale. Exhale and come down. Let us start from the left hand side now. Inhale from the left hand side. Exhale, let's come down. 2, inhale from the left hand side. Exhale and come down. 3, inhale once again. Exhale and come down. 4, inhale and halfway through, exhale and come down. 5, inhale, halfway through, exhale and come down. Let's come up. Inhale, look on the right hand side. Only bend your neck. Rather move your neck to the right hand side. Come back. Inhale, left hand side. Back 2. Inhale, right hand side again. Back 2. Inhale, left hand side. Back. Inhale, 3, right hand side. Back. Inhale, 3, left hand side. And back. Let's look up and down now, 3 counts. Inhale, let's look up. Back. Inhale, let's look down. And back. Inhale, look up. Back. Inhale, look down. Back. Inhale, go up again. Back. Inhale, go down. And back again. Inhale, let's bend on the right hand side now to feel the stretch on this side. Back. Inhale, bend on the left hand side. And back. Inhale, bend again on the right hand side. and back. Inhale, bend on the left hand side. Back and last count. Inhale, bend on the right hand side. Come back. Inhale, bend on the left hand side. And let's come back from here. Bring your arms up to the chest. Inhale and just twist back a little bit as much as you can. Let's hold here for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's come back. Inhale and bend on the left hand side. Very good. Let's continue to hold here for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's come back. So with this, we kind of done with our warm-up. Let us sit and start with the first set of pranayam for today. So this week we are practicing Kapalbhati pranayam. You can sit either in Sukhasana or in Ardha Padma Asana, in which either your right leg can come on the left leg or the left leg can come on the right thigh. And let's sit in Ardha Padma Asana. Let us sit in Prapti Mudra. And let us start for 2 minutes Kapalbhati pranayam. 60 counts in your mind. Inhale and exhale and then forceful exhalation for 60 counts in your mind. And then you may take one again complete round of breath. Inhale and exhale. And then once again we will start exhalation for 60 counts. Okay? So let us sit straight. Your back should be straight. Let us sit in Ardha Padma Asana. In Prapti Mudra, your both the hands are trying to absorb all the positive energy from the surroundings. And let us start with Kapalbhati pranayam. Inhale and exhale and let us start with forceful exhalation for 60 counts. Vigaraji, try to exhale more and more as much as you can. And with this, we are done with almost 2 minutes of Kapalbhati pranayam. Let us release the mudra and let us start with the next section of exercises for today. So we are all aware of that we are doing the burpee challenge this week, and on Monday we did 5 burpees. So today we will do 10 burpees. Okay? So let us start. Let us come with at the beginning of our mat. We will all do together, everyone. So don't worry. We will go slow and we will go together. Okay? 10 counts of burpees for today. Let us come at the beginning of our mat. Jump up, jump down, touch the floor, jump back, push up, come up, jump in and back. 1. Okay, 2. Jump up, down, jump back. Everyone, push up, come up, jump in and back. 3. Jump up, down, jump back, push up, come up, jump back. Done. 4. Jump up, down, touch, back, push up, come up, jump back, and we are done. 5. Jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, jump back, done. 6. Jump up, down, jump back, push up, come up, and back, done. 7. Jump up, down, back, push up, come up, back, and done. 8. Jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, jump in, back. 9. Jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, jump back, and in, and last, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, and back, and we are done with 10 burpees for today. Very good, everyone. And now the next set is, we will do 5 counts of Surya Namaskars, which is very important. Okay, so let's be here at the beginning of the mat. Just relax, inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale, and one more count of inhale and exhale before we start with 5 counts of Surya Namaskar. Let's come in Samasthiti, hands by your side, stand straight. 1. Pranamasana, inhale and exhale. 2. Inhale, bend back. 3. Forward bend, exhale. Try to touch your nose with your knees. 4. Right leg goes back, inhale. Ashwasanchalanasana. 5. Left leg goes back, Santulanasana, exhale. Inhale and exhale in Ashtanga Pranamasana. Inhale, Bhujanga Asana. Exhale, Adho Mukhi Svanasana. Inhale, right leg comes back in Ashwasanchalanasana. Exhale, left leg comes back in Padasthasana. You can hold your ankles from the back or your shin muscles from the back and try to pull your chin or your nose towards your knees. From here, inhale and bend back. And Pranamasana. 13, Pranamasana again. 14, inhale and bend back. 15, once again. Exhale, let's come down. 16, left leg goes back. 17, right leg goes back, exhale. 18, inhale, exhale. Inhale in Bhujanga Asana. Exhale, Adho Mukhi Svanasana. Left leg comes back between the palms now. Inhale. Exhale, right leg comes back between the palms now. Inhale, bend back. And exhale, Pranamasana. We are done with the first cycle of complete cycle of Surya Namaskar. Let us start with second cycle. 1, 2, bend back. 3, forward bend. 4, right leg goes back. 5, left leg goes back. 6, Ashtanga. 7, Bhujanga. 8, Adho Mukhi Svanasana. 9, right leg comes back between the palms. 10, left leg comes back between the palms. 11, bend back. And 12, Pranamasana. Very good. 13, Pranamasana once again. 14, inhale, bend back. 15, exhale. 17, left leg goes back. 18, right leg goes back. 19, Bhujangasana. 20, Bhujangasana. 21, Adho Mukhi Svanasana. 22, left leg comes back. Ashwasanchalanasana. 22, Padasthasana. 23, inhale, bend back. And 24, Pranamasana. We are done with the second cycle. Let's start with third cycle. 1, 2, 3, 4, right leg goes back. 5, left leg goes back. 6, Ashtanga. 7, Bhujanga. 8, Adho Mukhi. 9, right leg comes back between the palms. 10, left leg comes back between the palms. 11, inhale and bend. And 12. 13, Pranamasana again. 14, inhale and bend back. 15, exhale. 16, left leg goes back this time. 17, right leg goes back. 18, 19, Bhujanga Asana. 20, Adho Mukhi. 21, left leg comes back between the palms. 22, right leg comes back between the palms. 23, bend back. And 24, Pranamasana. 2 more cycles to go. Very good. 1, 2, 3, forward bend. 4, right leg back. 5, left leg back. 6, Ashtanga. 7, Bhujanga. 8, Adho Mukhi. 9, right leg comes back between the palms. 10, left leg comes back. 11, bend back. And 12, pranam. 13, pranam. 14, bend back. 15, forward bend. 16, left leg goes back. 17, right leg goes back. 18, Ashtanga. 19, Bhujanga. 20, Adho Mukhi. 21, left leg comes back. 22, 23, and 24. And we are almost through. Last cycle to start with. Fifth cycle. 1, 2, 3, 4, right leg goes back. 5, left leg goes back. 6, Ashtanga. 7, Bhujanga. 8, Adho Mukhi. 9, right leg back between the palms. 10, left leg comes back between the palms. 11, bend back. And 12. 13, 14, bend back. 15, forward bend. 16, left leg goes back. 17, right leg goes back. 18, Ashtanga. 19, Bhujanga. 20, Adho Mukhi. 21, left leg comes back between the palms. 22, right leg comes back between the 23 and 24. With this, we are done with 5 rounds of Surya Namaskar. Let us come back and let us sit on our mat to do the second set of pranayam, Kapalbhati pranayam. We are practicing Kapalbhati pranayam for the entire week. Last week we had performed Anulom Vilom pranayam. This week we will be practicing Kapalbhati. So now you can place the right leg on the left side. Last time we had placed the left leg on the right side. Let us place the right leg on the left side. You can push it from here and let us sit in Prapti Mudra. 60 counts of inhale, exhale. One count of inhale and then 60 exhalation. Okay, then you can do one more and try to push your stomach in. Okay, so you can just have a look at your stomach. It should go in and then exhalation. Okay, everyone, let us start with 60 counts in one breath. Inhale. We will continue it for one more minute. Lisa Didi, try to exhale more so that your tummy goes inside. Yes, very good, Didi. Yes, very good, Lisa Didi. With this, let us move to the last set of asanas for today, the last section for today. So we will try to do some 10 to 12 asanas today in a flow, and we will try to hold each asana for one minute each. Okay, so let us try to start with the first asana for today. Okay, let us come on our knees and on our palms, and the first asana for today, a very, very powerful asana. We all do it, and that is Adho Mukhi Svanasana. So from here, you will come up on your sole, the toes and your heels. Try to touch both of them on the floor. So some people, you may be able to do it like this. In that case, try to bring your legs a bit forward so that your heels are touching the ground. And then your head should be between the palms. Okay? So let us try to hold Adho Mukhi Svanasana for 1 minute. Let me start the counters. Okay? Let us start and let's hold in Adho Mukhi Svanasana for 1 minute. It's a very, very powerful asana. Those who are trying to reduce weight, trying to reduce your belly fat, let's try to hold this asana for 1 minute. Let's try to look towards your stomach. Your head between the palms, push them as much as you can. Your legs are straight, knees are straight, toes are on the floor, heels are on the floor, and push your head. With this, we are almost done with 35 seconds Another 25 seconds to go. Very good, everyone. Let's continue. Very good, Dr. Annie. Try to push your head a bit more. Slowly and slowly it will come. Very good. Okay, with this we are almost done with 55 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. From here only let's hold, and then let's try to bring the right leg up, and we will hold in this posture Ekpad Adho Mukhi Svanasana for 1 minute from here only. Okay? So let us start. Once again, let's come in Adho Mukhi, and then from here only lift your right leg up and push your head between the palms and try to lift your right leg up as much as you can. Your left leg is on the floor, toes are on the floor, heels are on the floor, and push your right leg as much as you can. Let's hold for 1 minute. Very good. Push your head between the palms, right leg up. Very good. Almost halfway through, 30 seconds are over. Let's continue to hold here. Keep pushing your leg up more and more and more. Very good. Push your leg more, Dr. Ali. Leela Didi, push it more. Come on. We're almost through with 50 seconds. Are you feeling that your belly is going inside a little bit? Right? Try to tuck your belly in. With this, let's come down. And from here only, what we will do now, that once you bring your right leg down, then we will be on the right leg now and our left leg will go up. Okay? Chalo, let us start. Okay? So your right leg is down and now your left leg will go up. Let us start. Very good, everyone. Come on. Let us start. Let's push our head between the palms and slowly, let's keep pushing the left leg up as much as you can. And let's hold here. Try to tuck our belly in. Very good. Come on. Here's Dr. Annie. Lift it up more. Left leg, lift up more. Come on, Didi. Yes, very good. Very good. Let's hold. 30 seconds already over. Come on. When we try to perform these asanas for 1 minute, it will actually have an impact on our body. Very good. Let's hold. 45 seconds over. Ekpad Adho Mukhi Svanasana. 55 seconds over. 5 more seconds to go. And we are done. Let's come back and let us sit in Vajra Asana. Okay? So we did 3 asanas, maybe 2 only, Adho Mukhi and then Ekpad Adho Mukhi Svanasana. Okay? Now from here, what we will do is, we will come in normal plank for 1 minute and then we will come in elbow plank for 1 minute. Okay? So Dr. Annie, I think you were able to hold for 40 seconds. It's okay. Come down. Take rest for 5 seconds and then again let's come up. These are really same for you. Okay? For you as well. Okay? Let's try to hold as much as we can. If we are not able to hold, come down for 5 seconds and let's come up. Okay? Let's try to see how much we can do. Okay? All of us are on our knees. Yeah? I'll start the counter. Let us start. 1, 2, and 3 and up. Okay? We are in the normal plank position. Yes, very good, Dr. Annie. Try to bring your hips down. Hips are down. Yes, more down. Little bit more down. Leela Didi, very good. Throw Sunny Chikali, Leela Didi. Very good, Dr. Annie. Very good, Leela Didi. Let's hold here for 20 counts. And when you start shivering, start inhaling and exhaling more and more. Okay? So, very good. Okay, when you are here, inhale, exhale. 30 seconds are over. Inhale and exhale. So this will help you provide oxygen and energy in your body and help you to maintain the same posture for a longer duration. And with this, we are actually almost done for 45 seconds and Very good, Dr. Annie. You were able to hold it. Very good. Again, come up. Let's come up again. Inhale and exhale, and we are almost done with 55 seconds. Very good, Lisa Didi. Keep on holding it. And we are actually done with 1 minute. Very good. Very good. Okay. So from here, let us continue the set of asanas that we are doing for today. That was Santulanasana. And now something similar again we will come in elbow plank. Okay, same thing. We are on our elbows and body is straight. We should not be like this. We should not be slouching. Okay, our body should be straight and parallel to the ground. And we will try to hold for 1 minute. Okay, chalo everyone. Let's come in the posture. Let's come on our knees. Let's come on our elbows. And we will try to hold for 1 minute. I'm starting the counter now. 3, 2 and 1. Let's hold elbow plank everyone. Very good. Niche didi hips नीचे करो थोड़ा और नीचे करो थोड़ा सा और नीचे करो hips. Yes, very good. थोड़ा सा और करो or else your back will start paining. Very good, Nopran. Yes, very good. With this we are almost done with 20 seconds. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. 30 counts are over. 30 seconds are over. Bring your hips down a bit. Yes, very good. Little bit more down. Yes, very good. 40 seconds are over. Last 20 to go. Very good, everyone. Inhale. Exhale. 50 seconds over. Inhale and exhale. Last 5. Inhale, and we are actually done with elbow plank also. Very good, everyone. Okay, so from here, let's look at the next asana. We will sit now and we will come on our back. Okay, bridge pose or Setu asana. So we will lie down on our back and we will hold the ankles and lift our belly up as much as you can and try to push our glutes also inside. So push our glutes inside and belly also inside and then go up. Okay. So if this asana we will hold for 1 minute, it will actually help for our butts also to go inside and also the belly to come inside. So it works very good on the entire body. Okay. So let's hold this asana for 1 minute. Everyone, let's get ready for the posture. Didi, lie down on your back. Very good. Let's come up first. Try to hold your ankles. And let me start the counters. 3, 2, 1. Let's hold and come up as much as you can. Let's come up and continue to hold. Any posture, if you are trying not to able to maintain the posture, start deep inhalation and exhalation. Very good. Let's continue to hold for 1 minute. Lift your body up. Lift up more. Lift up more. Very good. Very good. Continue to hold. We are done with 40 seconds. 20 more seconds to go. Lisa Didi, lift up more. Very good. 50 seconds. We are left with only 10 seconds. Good. Keep it up, everyone. Very good. And we are almost done with 1 minute. Okay, let's come down. Right. So now, let us look at the next asana or the Parabhasana asana. So what we will do is, or we call it as upward plank. Okay. So we will come up like this. Our legs will be straight like this. Body will be straight like this. And hands will be straight like this. And hands will face your toes. So hands are facing the toes. Legs are on the floor. And your body is straight. Head is down. Ardha Parabhasana asana. Uttanasana, Asana, Ardha, half. And after this, once we do this asana, yes, very good, Dr. आ जाओ लीजा दीदी, एक बार posture दिखाओ अपना. Sit, turn that side. हाँ, yes, very good, लीजा दीदी. Very good. Very good. Come up. Okay. So we will start the count. Yes, very good. So let us start. Let's take the position. 3, 2, and 1. Let's come up and let's hold here. In this case also, try to pull in your buttocks inside. Your butt inside. Pull them in. Okay. And look down. Hands straight. Pull yourself up as much as you can. If you are not able to hold, it is perfectly fine. Go down, take some rest for 5 seconds and again come up. Very good, Dr. Annie. Very good, Lisa Didi. Very good, Chala. Very good. Come up. Very good. Let's continue to hold. We are done with 25 seconds. Continue to hold. Pull your buttocks in. Very good. We are done with 45 seconds. Another 10 seconds to go. 5 more to go. And we are done. Very good. Calm down. Okay? All good till here? Okay. So now in this, a slight variation now, that till now our legs were making a 90 degree like this. Now actually it will go straight. Okay? And together. So just have a look at me. It's like this. Your knees are straight and then again the same thing. Okay? This is Parvottasana. Okay? So this also we will try to hold for 1 minute. Okay? And then from here we will go to Uttanasana. I will tell that asana, camel pose. Okay? And then after that, 2 asanas for stretches and we will be done with the practice for today. Chalo. So let us start with Parvottasana. Let us start. Let us come in the posture. I'll start. Come on, Didi. Take the posture. Legs straight, hands behind. Very good. Yes, let us start. 1, 2, and 3. Legs straight. This time it should not bend. Hands are straight under your shoulders. Back straight, body straight. And look back. It's a bit difficult asana. It's okay. You are able to hold. If not, come down. Take some rest. Then again come up. We are done with 20 seconds. Let's continue to hold. Those who can. Very good. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. We are done with 40 seconds. Pull up pose. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. 55 seconds done. Inhale and exhale and slowly come down and relax. If you want, just sit in Sukhasana and try to relax your shoulders. Let's move them up and down for 5 counts. Okay, 1, up and down. 2, up and down. 3, up and down. 4, up and down. And 5, up and down. The other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now let us come in Uttanasana or camel pose. Let's come up like this on your knees. We are done. We are done. The second last asana for today, and then we will do a bit of stretch with Janu Shirshasana and we will be done. Okay? So just don't worry. You are in the camel pose. You are on your knees and legs behind like this. Your right hand goes back and holds the ankle. Okay? And then left hand also goes back and holds the ankle. And then just look back and slouch back. and hold. Yes, very good, Dr. Annie. Just show me one. Lisa Didi, turn and then show me. Very good, Dr. Annie. Left hand also goes back and hold. Yes, and then push the stomach outside. Very good. And head back. Yes, you're doing correct only. Huh. Come on, Didi. How much you can hold, it's okay. Yes, hold. Now hold the left hand. Very good. बस हो गया. Okay, चलो. So, हाँ. Okay. Try. Chalo, okay. So I'm starting the counter. 3, 2, and 1, and let's push back. And push back. Very good. Hold. Try to go more back. And push the stomach up. Very good. Hold here. Very, very powerful asana. For back, for weight loss. Let's continue to hold here. Very good. Inhale and exhale, slowly, slowly. Let's hold here. We're done with 40 seconds. 20 more seconds to go. Continue to hold. Very good. Done with 55 seconds. And 5. And slowly release. And now come in Balasana. Try to give some rest to your back. So you are on your knees like this, and then slowly come straight. Try to come in Balasana. Side pose. Balasana. Everyone, good till here? Okay, and the last stretch for today. Let's bring the left leg out and bring your right leg towards the pelvic area. Okay, left leg straight. From sideways, inhale, and hands go up, and then slowly go down and try to touch your nose with your knees. Very good. Exhale, slowly keep going down. And let's hold here for 1 minute. Legs should be straight, knees should be straight, touching the floor. Inhale and exhale. We are done with 30 seconds, halfway through. Let's continue to hold. Go and more down as much as you can. We're done with 40 seconds. 20 more seconds to go. Very good. And we are almost done. And then slowly come back. And the same stretch on the right hand side now. Okay? So right leg goes straight. Left leg goes inside. Very good. Once again, try to inhale sideways, hands up, exhale, and then slowly go down. I'm starting the counter now. Very good. Slowly keep going down. Let's hold here. Leg is straight. Knee straight. Thirty seconds are over. Keep going down more and more. Very good, Didi. Dr. Rani, try to go more and more. We are done with 45 seconds. Last 5 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly exhale. And let's come back. Let us sit straight in Sukhasana. And let us try to just focus on Om or Jesus or Allah, anything that you want to focus on, or on a diya which is glowing and glowing in yellow color, glowing. It's lightened up. Just try to focus for another 2-3 minutes. Sit straight in Sukhasana, hands Prapti Mudra, back straight. Try to focus with your eyes in the center with Om or Christ or glowing diya, lighting up diya. Try to focus once again. Continue to focus on the Om or Christ. Continue to focus. Inhale and exhale. Slowly and gently. Let us rub our palms. Let's rub them faster. Let's rub them fast, fast, fast to generate some heat. And place it on our face. Gently massage your eyes. Put your palms in front of your face. With a smile on your face. Gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining. Thanks a lot for joining. Have a nice evening. And just come back tomorrow once again. Thank you.